Good morning, my friends, and welcome back to the Watch Wendigo YouTube channel. Today, we have a package from Knife Standards. This is a package that I'm pretty excited about. It was a birthday present to myself. Yeah, I buy myself presents. Get over it. It is what it is. And so let's go ahead and get this guy open. I am fairly certain that I'm going to like this quite a bit. The unboxing knife for today is the little pocket fixed blade that I picked up at the Liberty Firearms Gun and Knife Show. I picked this guy up from AKA Handcrafted Knives, and so far I'm enjoying it. Hey, that's a cool little pouch. Let's make sure there's nothing else in the box. Nope. Or I guess in the envelope, not the box. So I stumbled across this, or I learned about these on one of Neve's Knives videos I was watching while he was at one of the blade shows. I can't remember which one. And I saw he picked up and handled one of these, and I was like, holy crap, that thing is cool. I want one of those. God, the reflectivity of this case and my overhead LED lighting is doing weird things with the camera's focus. Anyways, I saw him pick up one of these and handle it, and I really liked the design. It's in materials that I'm interested in. This is a Vanix blade. This is actually going to be my first Vanix blade. It's got kind of a worn cliffy or sheep's footy blade shape. I can't remember exactly. And a hollow grind, which is all stuff that I like. So without further ado, let's go ahead and get this guy open. Alright, so this is the Knife Standards RR Station. There's a little pamphlet that it came with. There we go, there's the RR Station. That is not the order that, or the version that I ordered. Just a little bit of information, it looks like. I'll look at that later. Let's see, what else is in here? Little handcrafted card. Sorry, there is a little handwritten note on the back, but it looked like it had some of my information on it, and I'm not really wanting to share that with everybody just yet. So, there you go. There's our little card from them. Looks like we got some more cards. There's the info card. Yep, that is the version that I ordered. What does this guy say? Come on, what is going on with my focus today? There we go. Nope, that made it worse. Better. So there's all of their information, where you can find them. I have a feeling that I will likely be buying more products from them, because when I looked at their website, there was actually quite a few things that I thought were pretty cool. Okay, it doesn't appear that okay, that foam block does come out. Nothing underneath. Alright, so let's get to the knife. Yeah, that looks pretty cool. I like that. Yeah, I like that quite a bit. This is pretty cool. I was a little concerned that it might be somewhat on the small side. I think if I remember right, the overall length is something like 7.5 inches. And once we drop below 8 inches, I start to get skeptical if it's going to be something that really feels comfortable to me. Like most of you know, I just don't like small knives. That's a me thing. Little stiff, but I have a feeling that that will break in just fine. The deployment and the detent is pretty nice. Feels like it's got a good edge on it. Yeah. So let's find out how good that edge really is. Let's grab a fresh piece of paper. And I know that the paper cut test doesn't really prove anything, but it gives you kind of an understanding of how good the edge is. Oh yeah. That edge is pretty good. It'll do S-cuts, it'll cut vertically. Oh, now we got gunk on the blade. It always amazes me how just cutting paper will leave marks on your blade. There we go. So this is just an unboxing, first impressions. I really like this design language. It's something that speaks to me. I like the fuller that runs the length of the blade. That makes it for good reverse flicking. Access to the thumb studs is okay. Could have been slightly better, but it's not bad. And the way the detent is tuned, it works perfectly fine. You don't have to really be able to get a hold of it. I don't know if that's stiff. It doesn't feel stiff. It actually feels pretty dang smooth. It just has kind of more of a, I guess, a hydraulic action than just a drop falchetti. It looks like that is meant to be a front flipper. Let's find out. Yeah, okay, it does work. Let's find. Yeah, I can work it. Most of you know I don't like front flippers because I struggle to work them well, but I can utilize that one, so we'll give it a pass. What is going on with my focus today? Sorry guys, I don't know what the issue is with my focus. Let's try to wipe the camera lens off and see if that helps. Yeah, okay. I'm excited to get the chance to carry this, do a full review on this. This is something that, like I said, I was pretty interested in. Oh, come on now. I was just doing it just fine. There we go. I think I was kind of on the lock bar. But the story behind this knife really appealed to me. The gentleman that owns Knife Standards designed this for his father, who had a love of trains. And so the whole knife is kind of designed to look like a train. And the RR, if I remember correctly, was his father's initials. So not only was it something that appealed to me design-wise, material-wise, grind-wise, execution-wise, the story touched my heart just a little bit. And so I bought one. I'm really excited to get some time in the pocket with this guy and report back to you guys with a full review. I think that's going to be it for today. Thank you for tuning in to this unboxing, and remember, if you're enjoying any of the content that my channel produces, please don't forget to like and subscribe. Wendigo, signing off.